one of the best-selling and most trusted SUV. At itong kotseng to, 1,285,000 pesos lang.
No broke boys, no new friends. I'm that bitch, give me my test. Ain't no lie, ain't no shade.
This is the 2020 Mitsubishi Montero GLS Automatic. At syempre, itong Montero na to, fresh original paint. Yung mga naghahanap sa akin last time ng Montero, ngayon kayo lumabas, ngayon nyo ako angasan. At naka 18 inches alloy wheels, may mga kasa markings pa yan, at naka Toyo tires yan. At hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, pero mamahalin din tong gulong na to. At pagdating naman dito sa pinakaharap niya, projector headlight, may LED day running light, may fog lamps, functional grille para sa intercooler turbo, at 3 ang ending. Auto retractable side mirror na rin to. Napakagandang side profile na pang mayaman looks. At dito naman sa loob, sobrang ganda ng design, modern tech na rin yung itsura niya. Push start button, paddle shifter, napakagandang leather wrap na steering wheel, may mga controls na rin dito at syempre may cruise control. Touchscreen infotainment system, digital climate control, automatic transmission with manual shifting mode at electronic parking brake. At dito sa second row, maluwag ang leg, shoulder and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko at meron siyang outlet source para pwede kang mag-charge ang laptop, 2 USB ports, aircon controls at air vents on both sides. At dito sa pinakalikod, what do you expect? Medyo masikip pero kasya naman ako. At pagdating naman dito sa pinakalikod, all LED taillight na napakaganda, may rear spoiler for more sporty look. May 4 na rear sensor, may reverse camera. At pagdating naman sa trunk space niya, maluwag ang trunk space at syempre 7-seater SUV kaya foldable yung third row seat. At pagdating naman sa engine niya, meron siyang 2.4 liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel automatic transmission and MyVec technology na rin to. Relatively cheap to maintain, powerful engine at syempre super reliable. For 1,285,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Peace out.